Welcome to EDU World Space.
We can solve problems 97 and 98 together, and that will give us that we have because they look at the same system, and we just have different unknowns and different givens and different unknowns in each of the problems. So in this case, we have a 3-segment cable that has loads in the horizontal direction. So I'm going to use point A here as my origin. The position of point B, we don't know the horizontal distance, but we know the vertical distance is 4 meters down from the origin. Point C here, we know is 2 meters in the horizontal direction and 10 meters down from point A. We know the position of the other end where it's held in place, and that is 11 meters below the point A. So if we look at the whole free-body diagram here of the whole structure, cut this rope away from the wall, we get PB plus PC plus FA plus FD needs to be 0. Then taking moments about point A, we get this equation. We can then take a cut here and look at the substructure, and then look at this substructure here. So we get PB plus FA plus FBC, the tension in the force in this cable. And then if we take moments about C, we get RCB cross PB plus RCA cross FA, and we can find these vectors because we know these vectors. This will give us enough equations to figure out more than just what we were asked for. Now we know FBC is in the direction from B to C, and it has a magnitude, and so when we solve these, we'll get 6 equations here, and we'll have unknowns for the 2 components here, the 2 components here, and then we'll have an unknown magnitude here and an unknown position XB here. So we'll have we have 6 unknowns, but we're only asked to find 2 of them. And we find that FBC, the tension in this cable there, or that rope there, is 480 newtons. And the position of this point here from the origin is 5.39 meters in the horizontal direction. Now in problem 98, we simply have different unknowns, and we want to figure out what the horizontal force here would be if this distance was 5 meters. So now we're given XB and we don't know PB. So it's the same exact analysis, but now we have a different unknown. We have this, and we want what this will be. We go through that, and we just get that PB in that case turns out to be 700 newtons. And we can also figure out again what the tensions in these cables are. And in that case, the tension in this interior cable goes from 480 newtons to 447 newtons. So it's a little bit less, as we kind of expect, because this is in problem 97, this was 800 newtons, and now we've determined that it was 700 newtons. Likewise, this is a little less than we have here. So again, this is in a little bit more, and then this one would be out a little more, because again, these segments, this cable has to have a constant length.